In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Squarespace website subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few tips to avoid surprise interruptions. Start on your Squarespace dashboard for the site you want to cancel. In the lower left corner, look for the settings gear icon. This is the control center for your site's global options. Click it to open the settings panel. Inside settings, find and select billing. This is where Squarespace keeps your payment methods, invoices, and all active services tied to your account. Opening billing gives you a clear view of what you're currently paying for. Next, go to subscriptions. This section lists every active subscription on your account, such as your website plan, domains, or add-ons. It's important to identify the correct item here, so you only cancel the website plan you intend to cancel. Choose the website subscription you want to end. If you manage multiple sites or services, take a moment to double check the site name, the plan level, and the renewal date shown on this page. Verifying these details helps ensure you don't cancel the wrong thing. Also note that canceling a website subscription affects the site's hosting and features, but it doesn't automatically cancel separate services like domains or email. Those are managed individually under billing as well. Now, click Cancel. Squarespace will usually prompt you to confirm your choice and may ask for a brief reason. Read any notes in the confirmation window carefully. Typically, your site stays active until the end of your current billing period, and then it will be taken offline. During that remaining time, you can change your mind and reactivate if needed. If you're on an annual plan, the remaining time runs until your paid term ends. Refunds depend on Squarespace's current policy, so review that notice before finalizing. A few quick tips to wrap up. If your site contains important pages, blog posts, or images you might need later, consider exporting or saving copies before you cancel so you're not scrambling after the site goes offline. If you have a custom domain connected through Squarespace, check whether that domain is billed separately and decide if you want to keep it active for email or future use. Keeping the domain registered does not keep your website subscription running. Those are separate choices. That's it. Click the settings icon, open billing, go to subscriptions, select the correct website plan, and confirm cancel. Follow these steps and you'll close out your Squarespace website subscription with confidence.